Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home, in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. Here my OF like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the deed. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, while I was setting up, I already got into a Bitcoin trade. I'm ready to start trading Bitcoin. Boom, boom. And took a 3 lot. Take a little piece off here, just a little bit. There's already $100, which was supposed to be 10. What's going on? 440, 330, and it doesn't even try it again. How could I have not? How much is the fucking commission? We're going to have to check this out. The commissions look pretty damn steep here. That's insane. Okay, well, let's figure it out. I'm up. Well, no, hold on. There we go. Okay, that was a quick trade. But we're going to have to figure out what the commissions are. Well, there's only one way to do that. Let's start. We'll do a 1 lot on another account. Right there. We'll sell ask. We'll see what the commission is when I get in. Oh, it's going down fast, so I just want to see. The commission, $2.67. So I shorted at 65. If I want to buy back at 65, I'm going to try and buy back at 65, and I'm curious to see if it's 267 the other way also. Shit. It went too fast. Anyways, I could run the math, right? I think okay, so I think it is. I think it's $2.67 each way. 520 for a round turn? Why are they robbing you like that? Let's see my executions on this last one. 65 and 55. So that was $11. Where's my calculator? I don't feel like doing math. It's too early. Wow, that's dangerously expensive. That's $26 in commission for one mini, basically. Well, at that point, I'm curious what the mini is, but there's no volume in the mini. You can't even trade it. Let's see, 11 minus 5.66 equals 534 divided by 2. What did I say? 267. Yep, it's 267. Wow. Wow. So you got to make $50 just to cover the commissions. So forget about spread. Wow, that's nuts. Well, I'm curious to see what it is with BULENOX. Now I'm going to open up BULENOX. Connections, BULENOX. Oh, sorry guys, I don't have my, I didn't even realize. Chat. Let me just get a BULENOX account. Let me just check. Markets are falling, so it'll be easy to take a trade and hopefully not lose money. We're going to bounce off the previous day's close there. Okay, so where's the BULENOX? BULENOX, no commission at all. Let's get out. I'm in at 905. Where's executions? 905.55. Is that possible? BULENOX has no commission? First, congratulations, Omnius. Is that possible? Let's try it on another account, one that's traded already. How about this one? Okay, so I'm short. I'm losing money. There's no commissions in BULENOX, and it's $5 commission in oh, got a cover. How is there a $5 commission in Apex for trading 267 in, 267 out, and BULENOX is free? Anybody have an explanation for that? Anyways, it's good to know, no? Fuck off, it's cold again. What am I doing going long here? Remember I said Bitcoin makes these tiny pullbacks, tiny retraces, and then it continues on its way? I need to get out of this one. But it's true. It's 120,000, eh? Oh, we just blew right through 120,000 like it wasn't even there. So much for it being a support or resistance. Ooh, tired. Anyways. Okay. Well, maybe I need to keep BULENOX open. I'm gonna have to spend some time tomorrow and take a look just to make sure that it's not an error, that I'm able to trade it. I got my bot running. See how that's going to do in the evening. Wow. Anyways, I'm just surprised. That's a significant difference. That commissions. There's nowhere I see about the contracts. Rule status. The list of futures instruments: equity futures, currency futures, agricultural futures, energy futures, metal futures, micro futures. Doesn't say anything about what? Omnis, are you still there? Let's go back, take a look at M&Q, put my clock in the right place. Anyways, that's interesting. I'm going to check it out. Are you muted? No, I'm not, but it is time for a sound check. Let me open up my volume on my monitoring computer. Testing 1, 2, 3. There we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. There we go. Testing 1, 2. Okay, working good. So did you hear there? No commissions at all on Bitcoin with BULENOX, but it's $2.67 in, $2.67 out with Apex. So that's $5 for 1 micro with Apex. No commission with BULENOX. And I forgot this, but BULENOX says, oh, come on, I didn't close everything. Hold on, let me read this to you. I don't even remember if you trade with BULENOX. However, of course, I go to the wrong page. Help Center. Qualification account. Rules. Our company does not provide any kind of algorithms. However, it is not forbidden to use them. So they have no problems using the algorithms or bots. Trade copiers, using trade copiers. It's even in there, the using the trade copiers. That's for the qualification account. So did they get rid of the rule? Master account rules. Someone said they got rid of the rules. For the copy trading. Oh, and the 5-day rule. I don't see it anymore. I think they really eased up on their rules, eh? There's nothing. Like all the rules are gone. You were also muted for half your stream? So we should combine them. But all joking aside, I don't see... Oh, that should be market if touched or something, or I don't know what. I don't see how you were muted. That's weird because I had the stream up in my ear all the time and I always heard you. That's really weird. Are you sure? I'm going to go check now. I just got to make sure to see what's going to happen. I'm going to go turn off the volume now. And then it's going to fuck things up. Anyways, maybe I'll try and remember. I should have a reminder. I should have an alarm every 15 minutes. It comes on and says, check volume. Check volume. You know what? I wasn't even going to stream today. I just wanted to watch the Bitcoin futures and look, shorting just above previous day's close. You know what? I'm really going to have to do what I said, which is not take a trade if there's a reason. Excuse me, not to take a trade. Okay, that's another one out. Another one bites the dust, but that's okay. You're right. That's so funny. It's only me talking. That's hilarious. Look at that. So maybe by the time that I heard your volume, I heard you talking, you were already on. Like by the time I put it on my cell phone, maybe I didn't put it on my cell phone right away. So how much am I down now? Okay, I'm not trading. Ah, shit. I'm not trading BULENOX today on Bitcoin. So I can close BULENOX. And let's get over here. It is fucking cold. That's all I can say. Let's take a look what we did. We traded strong and then we just died after. Wow, that's like just complete market death, eh? I'd almost think my charts didn't update. That's the worst I've ever seen it, honestly. What is this? From the body closes, that's 250 to 275. Is that even possible? At 25, what if we go from the wicks? 235 to 280, 45 points of range from 1230 to 430? Could you imagine if anybody traded that in there? Whoa. Are we in construction holidays? Do you even have construction holidays in the US? We have something called construction holidays here. Maybe that's what it is. Well, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, well, so this is what it looks like here. 230 to 280, let's call it 50 points. From 1145. 50-point range. And now we're inside that range in the evening session. Okay, well, maybe like last night. I'll just... Excuse me, focus on Bitcoin. We see how it does. And yeah, no, there was 2 errors in that Apex reporting. One, Apex does not charge for 2-factor authentication. All you got to do is have an authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code. I did it this morning, and it worked flawlessly. I already had an authenticator app. There's no charge. Number one. Number two, it's not when you get a new master account, because I didn't get a new master account today. It's just rolled out whenever. I guess on a 7/12, they didn't roll it out to everyone at the same time. So let's just clarify that. Once again, Apex is not the boogeyman. And there's nothing wrong with 2-factor authentication. Actually, it just secures your account more. You have 2-factor authentication with Gmail. I have 2-factor authentication with all my bank accounts. 2-factor authentication is not a reason to complain, to run yelling and screaming. The only thing I can say is they're not the first firm to require it. There are some places where you can enable and disable it. Like with Gmail, I think you can disable it. But hold on. Yep. But for a legitimate firm, brokerage firm, financial firm, they always require it. And with regulations coming in, I guess they all have to follow those same procedures. They have to secure the accounts. You know what? I'm going to put, I'm going to add a new timer. How do I add a new timer? I'm going to put the message that I put in the Discord today. I want to see that a few times. Where did I put it? Over here? Control copy. This message is going to be here for a long time. Okay, there. We got a Nightbot reminder. To keep me on track. Yeah, I'll play a couple of deal me in while I'm waiting for Bitcoin to dealer draws 1. I draw 93. That was a good win. 1-0 me. I always play 5. Dealer draws 1. It's too bad wood chip isn't here. He would go nuts. Fuck you, look at that. You playing the dealer draws 1 twice in a row. 2-0 me. Dealer draws 45. I draw 89. 3-0 me. Oh, Nightbot is playing now. Dealer 96. Nightbot 8. What do you mean 4 wins? What are you talking about 4 wins? Or are you counting the dealers? Dealer draws 4 now against me. 1, 1, and 4. Yeah, well, I got more than that, I think. I don't know, I lost count because I'm laughing. Okay, I'm stopping. I did good, I'm happy. I lost count, I don't want to go back and count. Yeah. It's only when wood chip plays. Ouch, I need heating. I need heating and I need a sweater. I want to take a trade here as we bounce off the... oh, yeah, it's true. Let's go look at the 4 in a row. Yeah. Well, this one would have worked out. 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 And that one would have worked out. This one wouldn't. Oh, the 2-minute trade. Ooh, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. Okay, well, we didn't break the low. We broke the high, which is 263. Yeah, would have worked again today. The 2-minute opening range, 263. There's the difference. So I'm running it on the 1-minute chart. 263. Could have gotten in there. Went down to 256 only, and then shot up to 284. Okay, so why does Bitcoin have a loser, even though there's been some crazy runs? I missed them. Came in, started up at the wrong time. That was a little bit of a burst of volatility there for NQ. Well, if I was playing best 3 out of 5, I know I won 3 because I got the dealer drew a 1, the dealer drew a 1, and the dealer drew a 3. So I win the best out of 5. Oh, really? I'm going to call him back. Give me a second, guys. Oh, see, and I forgot to turn that on. Thankfully, I remembered now. What currency are you trading? Shalif Sweeto. I'm not trading a currency, actually. I'm trading NQ and Bitcoin. I'm trading Bitcoin on Sim. I'm running a bot on it, actually. Testing it out. I'm new to trading. Take it slow. And Joker, good evening, Joker. How you doing? Thank you once again. I'll thank you maybe all week long. Yeah, Shalif. Take it slow. That's the best advice anyone can give you. And you know what? Trade on demo in the beginning. Get your rhythm. Don't join a NASCAR race until you're sure you can compete with the oh boy. Well, get a prop account, man. Because trading with very little equity almost ensures that you're going to lose. If you join a prop account, I mean, with BULENOX, with Apex, look, trading is trading. It doesn't really matter if you trade stocks, if you trade forex, if you trade futures. There's subtle differences, but really not much. Options is a different story. Options you have to know. Good evening, Mike. Let's give Mike his... I like that one. I play them less now, all of them, but paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. Yeah, but you know what? Paper trade, but when you got $50 left, seriously, get yourself an eval account with a prop firm. You can get in for $17 with BULENOX. I think it's the last day, actually. Omnis was telling me today or tomorrow. And it's 80% off with Apex. And then you have $2,500 on an evaluation account to work with. Today's the last day, yeah. So, Shalev, that would be the advice. And then go learn how to trade with an evaluation account. At least you're not worried about losing only $50. You have $2,500 to play with. Now, it's $2,500 of funny money. But still, you know, if you figure out trading, which is very unlikely in the beginning, but if you figure out trading from your eval, you can go to a master account, and if you can make money in the master account, they'll pay you. So if you can get your master account to $3,000 or $4,000, you can take out $1,000 payment. You certainly don't have that ability with $50. You're not going to make $1,000 on $50. That's 2,000%. And that's what you're up against. So, yeah, by far and away, your best bet is to get an evaluation account with one of the prop firms. It's a no-brainer. Like, it's not even something you should think about. You don't even have to weigh the pros and cons, because there are no pros with having $50 in some forex account when you're new. You're seriously unfunded, even if you're an experienced trader. You know, you might want to take a 0.01, I forgot even what they're called. They're not called micro lots. Wow, it's been so long I haven't traded. Yeah, well, that you can do in forex. You can get an empty for account. And then, you know, like I said, if someone really experienced wants to scale up and farm those out and build a whole bunch of accounts and not risk a lot, let's say with bots, slowly increase size, yeah, then I would say, you know, go for it. What do they call it again in forex? 0.01. when you're trading 0.01. They had a name for it. Each size, I think, had a name. 0.01, 0.1, and a one lot. Were they micro lots also? In forex, if you trade 0.01 lot size, what was it called? What was it called? It should be, what is it called? Was it a micro lot, or did they have different terminology? Yeah, micro lot. There we go. Micro lot, mini lot, standard lot. Ah, yeah, and then they have the nano lots. Yeah, if you can get a nano lot, maybe you can do 500. You can do $50. My son was trading nano lots actually when he just started with forex. To dabble with forex, he was doing nano lots. I think the broker was FBS, Frank, Bobby, Sandy. But they were the spreads were wide, and the commissions, I think, were large also. I don't really remember, but I think, allegedly, he was paying the same commissions. I don't want to say anything that's incorrect, but I think he was paying the same commissions that that a micro lot would pay, which means it's 10 times larger. Guys, did you hear the commissions on BULENOX? Okay. Yeah, but honestly, I would have to say you don't feel like you have skin in the game when you do stuff like that. And, you may just do stupid stuff. You may become very experimental, which isn't a bad thing in the beginning, to be honest with you. You want to get your feet wet. But, I might just inquire into what the fine print is on that offer, Mike. Yeah, I was saying those memes or whatever, they kind of get boring after a while, eh? You have to change them up. Make them interesting. Really? That's a losing trade. And we're just bouncing off previous day's close in Bitcoin. I just want to try something. I want to take a look at something on Bitcoin. Oh, you know what? I'll do it here. We got the Brett 1, 2. Break in 1, 2. Break in 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking 30-15. Really? That's 30-15? That one sucks. $20.10 again. Hey, you guys weren't here. I played Deal Me In. The dealer drew 1. I played again. Dealer drew 1. I played again. Dealer drew 3. It's in the chat. Go look. 1, 1, and a 3. 3 easy wins in a row. Yeah. 25. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's 50. So then what about 40-20? Oh, there you go. Oh, Mike Sunts drew one. So that's $300, 730. Yeah, and what's this? $650, 200, a little bit less. Well, I took out all the wins. Okay, let me try again. I don't know. It does seem to be busted. Dealer draws 54. There, I lost. Maybe we just took all the wins because, me and Omnis, I think we're doing good in the beginning when we just started. There we go. I got a 95. Okay, I'll let you guys win now. Yeah, Shalef, play Deal Me In, see how you do. Oh, I think you have to be a subscriber. I'm not sure. I don't think it'll work. I'm not sure. He has to try. Shalef, type in, yeah, no claims of profitability. Don't follow our trades. Consult the advice of a licensed professional. We trade drunk. We trade drunk and we trade frozen because it's fucking cold. What's Bitcoin doing? Not stair stepping. Next move down again. Wow, that's fun. So while NQ between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock almost always opens up at the exact same price, Bitcoin gapped up $1,000. What about the night before? Let's see, we closed here at 335. That's about $500. This one is about $1,000. Let's say 900 to be fair on that one. Okay, here not much. And there I won't see it. So we went short again. Let me take a Bitcoin trade. See, I told you, Bitcoin it's just got this personality to it. Once it starts breaking the swing lows, just expect these little micro pullbacks. So once I saw this micro pullback, that's when I said, oh, the next move is lower. Until we start breaking swing highs and stair stepping up. The only thing that's causing a little grief right now is the previous day's close. Slowing it down a bit. Anyways, very interesting. Dealer 33. Futures floor draws 91. Nightbot draws 4. Swear to God, I would think it's if I was watching it, I would think it favors me. My win rate is a lot higher than everybody else's. Dealer 19. Okay, there I lost. 100 contracts. Yeah, 100 what? Minis? Um, I think I prefer 2010. You know, Bitcoin might be, because of the way Bitcoin runs, it might be a good candidate for a different strategy, actually. Maybe we want to slow it down a little more, or maybe we want to, you know what, I'm going to make these invisible right now. Got the settings on this, how it works. Let me see, 0.010. Okay, that makes it wider. No, you don't want them wider. 0.5 is good. No, I think I'm going to stick with 21. I'm going to check this out. This looks like Bitcoin looks like it would. See, that's a great thing when you understand how all the indicators work. Bitcoin looks like it really, you get under these bands here, I think you just think short. Because Bitcoin, once it starts to move, it just ticks in that direction. A Hull moving average might even be better. Okay. Let's check that the volume is working. Yes, it is. Everything is up and running. You know what? The great thing I like about trading Bitcoin, I have such supreme confidence that now that it's running on an algo, no matter what you do, it's going to recover. It's such a stable trader. I swear to God. It's almost like, why trade anything else? Still too early to tell, but well, you know what? I understand why I lowered my charts to 16.4, I think. The Ninja rank goes with NQ because it is volatility death. But ah, Lord, it's no fair. Okay, at least I lost. Dun 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 dun. I'll try something just for the fun of it. Let me disable that. I'm gonna watch it there, and this one here, let me make it also 2010. Template, save as default. Okay. not on. Sorry, my mic's not on. I did say, Shalev, you're not there? I wanted to know where you're from. I was curious. ChatGPT. What is 1/6 of 5%? See, that's why you need to know math. And Sim 102. Let's get back in the trade. A little slower on with the erratic NQ. Let's go for 33. Oh, it's true. What did those lines do? Okay. So, yeah, that's interesting. I'm wondering how Butters dealt with that. Where do you guys put your stops over the highs? Okay, it's quiet. Sun's coming home. Bulls are in control over there. That would have been a... Yeah, I can see it over there. Let the NQ trade play out. Not the NQ, the Bitcoin trade. We'll see where it takes us, and then I think I'm going to call it an evening early. Hello? My son came to visit me. Look how nice my background is. He's good, eh? Wow, that's interesting. Okay, let me, Mike Stuns, hello. Oh, he doesn't see you. Let's say hello. That's,
Can't see.
Lelix. He's fixing his hair. There we go. Oh, that's that one there. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm gonna call it an evening here. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time with my my other boy. Man, a twin boy. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier in the morning. Thanks for showing up. Yeah. And good night, Mike. And à demain, which means in French, see you tomorrow. Where's my close button? Right there. Good night.
Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking, price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the deed. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.